Hi, welcome back to Business Academy. In this session, I will briefly discuss the difference between net profit and gross profit. So what you'll have in Xero on your profit and loss account, you will have your turnover at the top. So this is your sales, and then you'll have your cost of sales, and then you'll have gross profit. Underneath that, you'll have admin costs, and then after that, you'll have your operating profit or your profit after tax. Your turnover is your sales or revenue that is received. So this is you have sold something and you have made money. This is therefore considered your sales, revenue, income, you name it. We've got a couple of words for it, but that is what it is. And then what you'll have is your cost of sales. Now, the difference between admin costs and cost of sales is cost of sales is anything relating specifically to that item you have created to then sell. So for admin costs, it's going to be your electricity, it's going to be your rental space, it's going to be the salary, the employees you have paid, whether you make and sell something or not. These are all considered maybe fixed costs and you have to pay them whether you make a sale. They are admin costs. Now, anything that is a cost that relates to the sale, so if you hadn't made that product, you would not have had that cost, that is a cost of sale. And so you are taxed on your net profit rather than your gross profit because the taxman wants to know after your turnover what costs have you deducted and therefore what your net profit is, and that's what you have tax on. So at the moment, we haven't got a calculation for tax in this particular report, and that is why operating profit and profit after tax are the same number. But if you had an accountant on this case, they probably would have put in a rough figure for your tax, or if this is a year-end report, you will have a figure for your tax that you will have to pay, and so you will know what your profit after tax is, because again, tax is an expense as well. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions, do reach out and let me know, and like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.